I need to get to my office. You can take the elevator down wherever you'd like afterwards.
I need to get to the 14th floor and drop off these files. I'm running late.
Files can wait. I can't.
God, you're such a jerk.
Sir, I just wanted to inform you that Miss Cook has finished.
Jerk. She thinks I'm a jerk. Yeah, okay.
Sophie, Mr. Hopper needs you to drop him off at the convention.
What? I thought that he was gonna go.
Oh, and just so you know, he's already chosen a mate. Future Luna. Oh, and just so you know, he's already chosen a mate. Future Luna. Must be really serious if he's already invited her to move into his mansion.
I bet he's as petty with his mate as he is with everyone else. I mean, I bet he treats her with the most respect ever because he's awesome and...
You need to let him out of here. Okay. Awkward.
So, for the long-term development of our respective packs, I believe the consensus that we will reach today is crucial. Now,
Tell me something, Hopper. Where exactly did you find this delectable little horse?
Trade her to me, and perhaps I'll consider your proposal.
Consider this.
This meeting is over. Our packs will no longer be cooperating with you. Let's go.
You're gonna regret that, Hopper.
Yeah, we'll see.
Tobias!